Here's the project I have. I want to make a bale spear for this excavator. This is a John Deere 35G. So I had these ears cut. I have a friend who works at a fab shop and they have a nice fiber laser, and I drew these ears in AutoCAD and had him cut them for me, and I've just got them placed in here. You can see on the bucket that came with the machine, that's the ears. And here's the example of them. I got a couple others cut because there's a future project for it too. So I think what I'm gonna do, got the ears, and I've got a drop of this 5x5 3/8 wall tube. I think we are going to weld this on here as far forward as we can. And then I have a bale spear that has a sleeve, a weldable sleeve. I've used these before. Weldable sleeve. I think I'm going to plasma cut a hole in both sides of that tube so it'll fit down into it. And then I'll weld around it. And so then the bale spear, it's a 39-inch bale spear, will fit into that. That's my plan. Here's an example. This is that exact same sleeve. This is a carriage for 2 bale spears or forks that I made. Anyway, I used that same weldable sleeve, worked great. And I ordered these from the same place. still fit. What we don't want is to get everything all welded and it not fit. Looks like it's gonna work. Have to cut a piece to fit there. That's too big of a gap to weld up. But we can weld these ears on. Get them kind of situated. Appears to fit pretty good. There it is. That's kind of what we're going for. It ought to work just fine.